Updating your legal name on Model Citizens can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you navigate through it efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include your marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order that legally changes your name. Step 2. Access your Model Citizens accounts. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Once logged in, locate the section dedicated to personal information or account settings. Look for an option that specifically mentions name changes or legal name updates. Step 4. Submit your name change requests. Fill out the required fields with your new legal name and upload any supporting documents you gathered in Step 1. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and monitor your requests. After submitting your request, confirm that it has been received. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates regarding the status of your name change. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name on Model Citizens. Make sure to check for any additional requirements specific to your situation.